Hi guys, my name is Alexander Zanjatin. I came from London. This clinic was recommended to me by my son. He done the treatment here before. When I first came here, I was explained everything. The doctors done the x-rays, everything, checkups with my old teeth. They recommended to me what to do, how to do, and how long it will be taking. So this is my second visit to the clinic. On my first visit, I was put 6 implants upper jaw, 6 implants down jaw. It was a temporary teeth. Yesterday they put me a permanent teeth, which is Zirconia ones, and I find them really comfortable and they're really good. What I can recommend, guys, don't waste your time. Come to this clinic and you will be treated like a god. Thank you, guys.